Now, I live in the conference world, and one of the things that I hear time and time again is that people are so grateful and so happy that they spent the time out of the office, taking their eyes off the books and their hands off the tools, and going to conferences and events where not only they can learn from specific speakers that have been put on a program, but they're in a room of people who have consciously chosen to come and learn. And that group think kind of mentality really helps with innovation, and it helps with fresh thinking and meeting new people and finding out the way that other people are doing things is really the way to move forward. So I asked some of the other speakers why they think you should attend the MFAA Roadshow.
Here's what I would say. I'm going to steal a quote from Woody Allen, who said that 50% of success is showing up. And if there was ever a time to show up in your life, it's right in the midst of a revolution, and that time is now. So we can be the person who just gets stuck into the spreadsheet and the work, or we can invest in ourselves and say, no, actually, I want to be more and learn more and actually invent my own future. Last night, I was at a blockchain function learning more about that because I know the world's changing rapidly. And so this is the time when we've got to go out and go to the market. This is like 1976, the homebrew computer club. It's happening now in so many. So you've got to get out there.
Why should you take the time out to come to an event like this? You've got a busy schedule. You've got back-to-back meetings. You've got clients to see. But you know what? This could be a really important thing for you. You may take something out of every single session on the day. You may take a couple of big things out. You may take a lot of small things. But in the end, it's about improving you as a person, as a business person, and just essentially making you better at your job.
You get to shake the hands of people that you've done business with, and or you get to shake the hands of people that you can do business with. So from a business perspective, there's always a financial return on investment in going along to good and worthwhile conferences.
Because in the market we find ourselves in now, there's two things going on. It's low barriers to entry, so there are more and more brokers starting every day. Now, you can interpret from that you've got more competition. And secondly, the level of scrutiny across the industry and the regulatory framework and the Royal Commission and everything that's happening is more and more noise. You've got to have the confidence and the skills and the knowledge, and you can't get the knowledge by sitting at home and focusing on the next deal. You got to come to these sort of events.
Yeah, we can be the guy on the spreadsheet at our office, but the office is a very dangerous place to watch the world from. So you've got to go out into the world, meet new people, have some new ideas. That's why you've got to be there.